Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel VS Codes. So we are back with another long challenge of CodeChef April long challenge. So we'll discuss the problem with the matrix that's from division 3 and 2, I guess in division 1 too. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel as we are about to reach 1K. So please do it fast. It looks good. So let's begin with the discussion of the problem. So here you can read chef found a matrix A with n rows and m columns. So you need to enter the values. It's an input n and m. So where each row R and column C, the cell is noted by R, C. Okay, you all know that. This matrix has two interesting properties. So basically, apart from reading, let me tell you directly. So the properties are that it would be non-decreasing. So each element of each row and column would be equal or greater than the previous element. So basically, what we have to do is we have to find k-worthy submatrix in A. A's are the big matrix, and we have to find k-worthy submatrices. Matrices with L rows and L columns such that the average of all the integers in this submatrix is greater than equals to k. So in simple words, we have to find such small matrices in a big matrix so that the sum of integers of those small matrices, each small matrix, is greater than equals to k. So k is an input here. Let's see the inputs. So t test cases n, m and k. So the k input is the k-worthy submatrix. As you can see in the sample input, we have taken they have given one test case. So 3 3. So 3 by 3 matrix is the A matrix and 4 k-worthy matrices. So we have to find it's written here 7 4 worthy matrices. Okay, so the output is 7 here. So let's see how it came. So if you take the submatrix, if you take it and write it on a paper, 2 2 and 3 4. So taking the average, it will come less than 4. So we'll not consider it. Next matrix 2 3 4 5, taking the average, again it will be less than 4, so we will not consider it. Next matrix 3 4 4 and 5, the average is 4, so and the matrix occurs only once, so we'll consider it. Next matrix 4 5 5 5, its average is 4.75, the matrix also occurs only once, so we'll consider it. Next matrix we can take is 4. So 4, the average is 4 and it occurs 2 times. So we'll take 2. So total till now we got it 4. And then we'll take 5, 5 and 5 with an average. Its average is 5 greater than 4. So we find it matrix 3 times. So like this the output becomes 7. So as you can see in subtask 1 and 2, the sum of n into m over all test cases does not exceed 10 to the power 3 and 4 into 10 to the power 5. I guess you all can easily score 40 points in it, and for 60 points that is the original constraints, you need to go through some tough coding. So I hope you all solve this problem soon. And if you want to read about the what is submatrix, you can click on the link that's given in a k-worthy submatrix. Click on it and you will get to know about what is a submatrix and how it's formed. So all the best and see you in the next question explanation. I guess the next problem that right now the CodeChef servers are down exactly, so hope so we'll get the next you'll get the next video by tomorrow. So keep coding and do subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the like button